31st August 2023. Today's banking and financial news at a glance. SBI Home Loan Interest Rate Concession of 55 bps ends in 3 days. State Bank of India customers can avail concession on home loans up to 55 bps lower than the actual card rate. The last date for processing fee and concession on home loans is 31st August 2023. According to the SBI Home Loan website, the card rate is waived by 50% for all HL and top-up versions plus any applicable GST, with a minimum of 2 rupees 000 and a maximum of 5,000 rupees. While there is a 100% waiver for takeovers, sales, and houses that are ready to move into. Also take note that Insta Home Top-up, Reverse Mortgage, and EMD do not qualify for the processing fee waiver. Economic Times. Indian Bank gets nod to raise up to 4,000 crore via QIP. PSU lender Indian Bank on Tuesday said it has received approval to raise capital up to 4,000 crore. The Committee of Directors for Capital Raising, at its meeting held on Tuesday, accorded approval for raising of equity capital of the bank aggregating up to 4,000 crore through qualified institutions placement in one or more tranches subject to all statutory and regulatory approvals, the banks said in a filing to stock exchanges. Business line. Punjab National Bank launches app to enable MSMEs access instant loans using GST invoices. State-owned Punjab National Bank on Wednesday said it has launched a mobile application based on the GST Sahay scheme, an end-to-end digital product under which lending can be done using GST invoices. With this integration, PNB has become the first public sector bank to facilitate frictionless credit flow to MSMEs using GST invoices, the bank said in a statement. The initiative is also in line with the bank's strategy to further the development of the MSME sector and digital credit ecosystem in the country. Money control. Axis Bank launches paid saving AC with no charges for services, balance requirements. Moving towards subscription-based accounts. Axis Bank on Tuesday launched a paid savings account where the customer will not be charged for many services and will not be required to maintain a minimum balance. Customers will be charged 150 rupees per month or the discounted 1,650 rupees per year for what has been christened as Infinity Savings Account by the third largest private sector lender. At present, a majority of the banks insist on a minimum balance for having a savings account and charge holders a fee whenever the balance drops below the threshold. They also charge for extending services like SMS alerts, printing passbooks etc. Economic Times. Bad Bank's chairman Karnam Shekhar resigns after proposal to merge with IDRCL. Karnam Shekhar, the chairman of the much-hyped Bad Bank, has resigned amid growing differences over the unique structure and functioning of the institution that was set up a year ago to acquire the sticky loans of high street banks. Shekhar put in his papers on 19th August. Close on the heels of a proposal to merge National Asset Reconstruction Company of India, the Bad Bank, with India Debt Resolution Company Ltd, which acted as an agent to NARCL. Two persons aware of the developments told ET. Economic Times. Standard Chartered rolls out enhanced paternity, adoption leave benefits. Standard Chartered has announced enhanced paternity and adoption leave benefits, according to a company statement issued today. From 1st September 2023, the bank will enhance the paternity and adoption leave it offers to employees, providing parents the option of undertaking more equitable caregiving responsibilities for their children. Employees can now avail up to 20 weeks of paid paternity and adoption leave, irrespective of gender, relationship status or how a child comes to permanently join an employee's family. Economic Times. Resolution time under India's bankruptcy code rises to 3-year high, India Ratings says. The average time taken for resolution under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code continues to rise and is now at a 3-year high, India Ratings and Research said. Data released by the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India June 2023 newsletter indicates that the average time taken for a corporate insolvency resolution process has increased